Dang. Less words, please.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am officially kicking off the Labor Day weekend / Chris's birthday vlog. And I just am pulling up to the party, basically like the version of Party City down the shore. And I'm gonna pick up some things. It is currently Wednesday, so I'm gonna go to the house and just decorate a little bit before we get there tomorrow. He doesn't know that I'm here right now, so I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible. It's about an hour away from our house, so I have like 2 or 3 hours to do everything and get back before like he notices that I'm like fully not home. So let's go see what this place has. I'm looking for just like a couple different things, not anything crazy, but just some like signs to hang up at the house and everything. So let's go. Just got to the shore house from the little party store. I picked up these 2 things. So a little like streamer thing I'm gonna hang up, and then this banner that you can make any number. So I'm gonna make it 30, obviously. And then this thing, which I figured would be cute like on the table. And then I had this stuff from CVS. And so a little happy birthday 30 balloon, which I don't have a balloon pump, so looks like I'm gonna be doing these by air. So if this is the last of the video that you see, you'll know that I ran out of air. No, just kidding. But birthday card for Chris, and then some table covers for the rectangle tables when we're doing a hibachi night. I don't think I said that, but I am going to quickly put this stuff together. I think I'm gonna hang like some stuff, like I'll show you guys. I think I wanna do like something like across here when you walk in, or like things from the pillar, and then like maybe something on the sliding door. So like when he walks in from the garage, which is over here, you'll like walk in and see a bunch of stuff. So TBD, but let's see. I'll show you guys once I have some stuff up, but obviously in a little bit of a rush, like I said. But okay, flash to when everything's here. Okay, here is the final product. Cute and simple. It's a thought that counts. We have our little happy birthday sign, our 30, and then we have these 30s like hanging from the ceiling throughout. And then I have this little banner on the sliding door. I'll probably move this once after we get here, just so it's easy for everyone to like walk in and out. But then there's some little 30s hanging from the ceiling throughout. And then we have our little birthday card and 30 thing on the table. I prepped an orzo salad while I was here. I'll put a clip in of that. And yeah, I think we're ready to go. That was like 45 minutes. I like banged this out so quick, just because I knew I was in a rush. So I am going to head back home, and then we will be back tomorrow for the birthday boy. I just made this orzo salad with sun-dried tomatoes and black olives. So then once we get down here tomorrow, I'll add feta, and then this is just gonna like marinate in the fridge while we're not here. So what else? I think that's it for now. I might prep the breakfast bake things that we do real quick so that that's done as well. But yeah, this is what we're working with. So happy birthday. Okay, just left the shore house. We, meaning me, I'm headed back home now. We have the chiropractor at 3:30 this afternoon, so I'm so excited for that. I literally need someone to crack my neck so bad. Ever since I got like the lump removed, I feel like I've just been straining my neck, so it's like so necessary to have someone like crack my back. So cannot wait for that. But yeah, headed home. I'm so excited for this weekend. We're gonna have so much fun. It's just gonna be like all of Chris's friends and their girlfriends who have become my friends, and I'm just so excited. It's gonna be a great weekend. We have a lot of like fun little things planned, which actually I can talk about it now because this video isn't gonna go live until after. But tomorrow is Thursday, so we're gonna drive down tomorrow, Chris and I, and then I think him and his friends are gonna golf on Friday. Thursday night, tomorrow night, we're gonna go out to the bars down the beach. And so we'll go out for a little like bite to eat, some drinks, get the party started. And then Friday we are gonna go, Friday he's gonna golf. And I think we'll probably go to the beach. I think I don't know who's gonna be down on Friday, so TBD on that, but I think we'll probably do the beach. And then, sorry, I'm like driving, this is like probably so illegal. But red light. So, then Saturday, most people are coming on Friday night because a lot of people obviously have work, so they'll come Friday night. Saturday, we're gonna wake up early. We have a boat the whole day, so we'll be out on a boat. We rented 2 pontoon boats, so we're probably gonna go to F Cove. If you're familiar with the Jersey Shore, it's like this big spot that like everyone brings their boats, so we'll do that. And then we have hibachi at the house. We have someone coming, which I'm so excited about. Also slightly nervous because we're gonna be like drinking all day out in the sun on the boat, so probably gonna be a liability, but we're gonna have so much fun. And then Saturday, I don't know if we're gonna stay down and like go to the beach or head back home. Chris usually likes to like go before like all the traffic, so TBD on that. We'll see what kind of like shape we're in, but that's our plan. But I'm gonna drive and stop recording, so I'm not like a full liability on the road right now. But yeah, that's our plan. I'm so excited. Check in with you guys soon. Birthday boy has arrived. It's officially Thursday, kickoff to the birthday weekend. What do you have to say for yourself?
Drink lots of water.
Yes, lots of water. And he wasn't shocked at all that the house was decorated, so there goes that one. Puppies are here. We're just waiting for our friends, right? So we're gonna go drinking tonight. What do you think? Just finished prepping the rest of the food for the weekend. So we made a pasta salad with some celery, onion, mayo, and some herbs like basil and oregano, salt, pepper. And then I made these super easy breakfast bakes that if you are hosting or like going on like a trip or anything, these are the best things to bring. It's like a couple ingredients like sausage, hash browns, peppers, onions, a couple things, and you can just bake it. Super easy when you're entertaining, so I'll link the recipe below, but it is so good. There's eggs in it too, but I can show it when it's cooked. It like fluffs up and it's like a breakfast bake. It is so delicious, always a hit, so I'll put the recipe for that below, but definitely recommend you making it if you need to like bring something or like want to just try something different. Just got ready for a little casual dinner. It's just Chris and I and his one friend. So, I mean, everything is just like all over the place, you guys. I'm trying. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I'm just wearing this Amazon tank and then these little white flare jeans that are oversized and just like so comfy and stretchy and loose. So, like wanted to be casual. We're just going to this place called Beacon 70, which is like a little sports bar. So I'm wearing some like little hoops and then my Ring Concierge Huggies that were our anniversary gift. I have to do something with my hair. I was just gonna let it air dry. It's wet right now. I don't know what I want to do with it. If I want to blow dry it or like put it up or something, but I just don't fully trust how it's going to air dry, so nervous about that. But I think I might just like bring my clip, and so then we have options. But it's just Chris and I tonight and his one friend, and so yeah, we're gonna hang, and then some people might come late tonight, TBD, but most people will be here tomorrow. So we're excited for a little fun evening, and I will take you guys along as much as possible. I'm probably gonna vlog the most on my phone, but I might bring my camera around. I don't know, I just don't want like to drop it or anything to happen to it. But I think I'm gonna try to figure out something with this hair. It's just like, I forgot all my hair tools, of course, like of everything to forget. I didn't bring anything. So it is what it is, but I'll probably I might just let it air dry, you guys. I don't know, I'm all over the damn place, but that's where we're at so far. So I'm gonna go make a little drink, and yeah, we're excited for first little evening. It's Thursday, so places shouldn't be like too crowded. Definitely tomorrow things are gonna get like crazy, but tonight should be like somewhat quiet, but you know, TBD, we'll see. That's it.
Roro, are you saying hi to the ducks?
Where? Yeah, there's little ducks here, and then there's a swan. A swan. Hi, duckies. Titi, what do you think? Titi could be less interested. Pups are playing. Roro's sniffing around. Everyone's having a good time. It is so nice out.
Say cheese, birthday boy.
Honey, I'm not leaving. I'm just going in here.
It's just going to be very interesting. I hope we get here.
You know? Happy birthday.
Get it, Roo. Get it.
Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day and we are headed to the beach. I think we're gonna go to either Point Pleasant or something.
Oh.
What?
Camera's out.
But I'm wearing my Monday swimwear bathing suit that I love. Like all of my bathing suits are theirs. And then just some white jean shorts and a white button up. Did mascara that's waterproof, and then my tinted SPF just to like have something on my face, but packing lots of sunscreen because I feel like we're gonna get fried because we're so pale. We just got back from the beach and picking up some clams for dinner tonight. We're gonna do like a little dinner at the house with like burgers, hot dogs, and do some clams on the grill. So I think we're gonna go outside and enjoy the beautiful day because it is literally stunning, and play some games and while we wait for everyone else to show up. But such a beautiful beach day. I didn't get like any color, I don't think, but we'll see tonight as it develops. Because knowing me, I probably got like super burnt, but tomorrow we're spending the full day out on the boat, so I like tried to be super careful with sunscreen and everything. But yeah, I think we're gonna go outside, enjoy this beautiful weather. We're having a lot of fun so far. And it's just a small group right now, so I know it's gonna get like crazy by tonight when like mostly everyone is already here. So a lot of fun things in store, but I ordered a couple of things for hibachi. I got Chris this hat on Amazon that says like call me daddy or something like that. And then the koozies that I ordered with his face on it came in the mail. I don't want to open them yet because I don't want him to see them, but I'll show them to you guys tomorrow because I think we're going to use them on the boat tomorrow. So yeah, we're having fun, and it seems like he's having a lot of fun, which is most important because he's the birthday boy. So yeah, but just wanted to check in. We're probably gonna go outside and play some games. My hand is like shaking like crazy, so I probably need to go drink some water after being out in the sun. Steaming up.
Yeah.
Chef on the cook, boy. Yeah.
We're grilling out.
Say hi.
Say good morning.
Hey, less words, please.
Hibachi's all set up. We're gonna have our little chef in the center over here. We are ready for him. It's gonna be such a fun night.
Go! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you! Oh,
I like that.
Go! 1, 2, go, go!
We're vlogging live and direct. Thank you for joining my YouTube video today. We're having at-home hibachi for the first time. Please turn the camera. Show them.
Very nice.
Move it, move it! Hi.
Who would have thought? Here you go, Brody.